Happy Halloween, everyone! I have a perfect spooky mushroom for you this time. In this video, you are looking at a mushroom which grows in autumn and is quite spooky. Why? It will make you sick if you eat it. In other words, this is a poisonous mushroom. The scientific name of this mushroom is called Omphalotus illudens, commonly known as the Eastern jack-o'-lantern mushroom. It is a large orange mushroom that is often found in clumps on decaying stumps, buried roots, or at the base of the hardwood trees in eastern North America. It has decurrent gills, as demonstrated in this video. Moreover, the flesh of the mushroom is completely orange if you cut the mushroom in half in order to distinguish it from other mushrooms. One of the most important properties of this mushroom is that it will glow green light in the dark when fresh. This bioluminescent property will last 2 days after getting picked in the field. However, as you can see, this is definitely not a human-friendly mushroom. It will cause vomiting, cramps, and diarrhea if it is eaten either raw or cooked. The poisonous compounds are called illudin S and illudin M. Although these two compounds are antiviral and anticancerous, their cytotoxicity is too high to be used directly for treatment. If you are interested in this topic, you can find the links in the description below for more information. The concentration of the poisonous compound is negligible comparing with the weight of the fruit body. That means it is really poisonous. Well, glad you would not die from eating it.
Hello guys, today I wanted to introduce you to one of the most famous poisonous mushroom. It's called jack-o'-lantern and the scientific name is called Omphalotus illudens. Let me pick this one for you. So you can see the jack-o'-lantern mushroom is saprobic. It is a quite large specimen and it has a decurrent skill. Whatever grows here is kind of like old, but some of them are still in a good condition. The smell is very strong. Yeah, I would say it's a very good scent. It's like a medicinal mushroom scent. However, this mushroom is poisonous. If you eat this mushroom, you are going to have diarrhea. Probably you're gonna stay in the bathroom for a while. And one of the most distinctive feature of this mushroom is it is bioluminescent. On a lot of guidebooks said that if you put in the dark, you want to observe the luminescent property which will give the green light. It is very difficult for your own setup. However, if you have a camera that you try to take the long exposure photo, you may get the luminescent photo. For example, one of my friends in Canada, he is very into mushroom photography. He set his exposure time for 3 minutes in the dark. He got a very good luminescent photo of this mushroom. And one of the most important part of this mushroom, how to identify it, this mushroom, a lot of people will confuse with chanterelle mushroom, but as a matter of fact, it's not that difficult to differentiate them because this mushroom has orange color flesh. If you cut it through, it will ooze. If it is a fresh specimen, it will ooze or it will excrete some reddish or orange colored fluid, which is very different than chanterelle. You're never gonna see that. Also for chanterelle mushroom, you will have white flesh instead of orange flesh. It is demonstrated in the video previously, as you saw, that the flesh of this mushroom is orange. The mushroom you see in this scene, they grow like a circle. That means the myceliums form a circle underneath the ground. It's not because some fairy was dancing in the forest. You're gonna see that they are making this mushroom structure. It's just one of the scientific explanation that how the mushroom grow in a circular formation. You have to be very careful if you come to mushroom foraging. You need to know how to distinguish this mushroom.
Omphalotus illudens, or the mushrooms in the genus Omphalotus, are all saprobic. It means that they play very important roles to decompose organic matters in the forest. These mushrooms love to grow in clusters and gregariously. Their fruit bodies are quite huge, and the caps can reach 15 centimeters wide, and the stems can reach 20 centimeters long. When they are young, people easily confuse them with the choice edible mushroom chanterelle. Therefore, it is a great skill to properly identify this mushroom. Here are some photos I took in the field of these spooky mushrooms. Hope you like these photos. I have to say a big thank you to my friend Francios for sharing me with a bioluminescent photo. As a matter of fact, he spent 8 minutes exposure time to capture this beautiful green color. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. Your support will help to spread the knowledge of mushrooms and maybe to inspire people to build a better world. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.